Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the auger motor in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Lift the ice bucket up in the front and pull it out. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the mounting screws to release the auger motor housing. Pull the assembly away from the rear panel and disconnect the wire harness. Use pliers to loosen the coupler by rotating it clockwise, then unthread the coupler from the motor shaft. Disconnect the motor wires and the grounding wire. Remove the screws securing the auger motor to the housing. Pull the old motor off. Install the new auger motor by positioning it in the housing, then replace the screws to secure. Connect the motor wires and the grounding wire to the new motor. Thread the coupler on the motor shaft counterclockwise and use pliers to tighten. Return the auger assembly to the freezer and connect the wire harness. Align the assembly on the support brackets and replace the screws to secure. Reinstall the ice bucket. If the bucket doesn't slide all the way in, you can rotate the auger to allow the bucket to be fully seated. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.